Good morning, everyone, especially to our all followers from the different countries and all races and the cultures of the people around the earth, especially our organic followers. So we are here today to talk about what is the most powerful laws in the land. The most powerful laws in the land is no other than is our Philippine constitutions. So the Philippine constitutions or the constitutions itself, in every nation there is a specific constitutions that they can provide in order to lead this country. So the country there is no Philippine constitutions to manage that country. The country can no longer be exist. So that I am here to talk about what is the most powerful laws in the land is the constitutions. So we are to talk about what are the roles, what are the needs to be exercised in that Philippine constitutions, especially all the rights of the people here in this country, especially in the Philippines, must be mandated by the Philippine constitutions, and even those people who are in the highest positions of the land in which that is mandated by the Philippine constitutions also. So we need to talk about that the Philippine constitutions is the most powerful law in the land. Why? All the rights of the certain organizations, the elected officials, and the people was mandated by the Philippine constitutions. So the constitutions was mandated in order to lead the country, especially when we are elected on that positions from the constitution. So the constitution, they could not say that to abuse the people because we are a temporary steward of the government. So all of that we are also to managing the government because government is composed by the people. So the people have or has a right to out you from that positions if these people is they do not satisfy you to leading this country. So the country was being mandated by the Philippine constitutions, especially the Philippines are from the Filipino people. So the Filipino people is the most powerful among all. Not, I would like to say that the elected officials or the public employees, they are not powerful or they are not powerful, but the people are powerful. It is because that is mandated by the Philippine constitutions. So the Philippine constitutions, they are not going to backward, but they are going to moving forward in order to lead the country, especially to preserving the generations to generations for the future. So that we need to understand everything about this law, because there is a lot of people now when they are elected by this government is they are abusive or they are doing or they are about to abuse the people, especially to abuse the money of the government in order to corrupt the money of the government. So the constitution, they could not see about that because we are doing our job, we are doing our obligations and responsibility of this country in order to lead, not to abuse by that certain rules and regulations under of this government. So that mga kaibigan, maiintindihan po natin yan pagbabasahin po natin ang buong constitutions. Why we are here, even we are civilian, we are working in non-public sector, especially working in that private sector. We are talking about all the capacity of these Philippine constitutions, no? We are to talk about in moving forward, not to backward certain roles of the government.